The journey begins as heavy-duty trucks deliver enormous tree trunks to the log yard. Some of these logs have spent decades growing in carefully managed forests before finally reaching this highly automated production facility. Each one weighs several tons and represents years of natural growth. Powerful hydraulic machines sort the logs by size and species before sending them into the production line. Organizing the timber at this stage allows the factory to maintain a continuous flow of material and ensures every log follows the most efficient processing route. Before any cutting begins, advanced laser scanners inspect every log in remarkable detail. Computers analyze the diameter, length, shape, and natural curves, calculating the best possible cutting pattern. This technology helps recover more usable wood while reducing waste to a minimum. Next comes the debarking stage. Massive rotating machines strip away the rough outer bark with incredible speed and precision. Removing the bark protects expensive cutting equipment and prepares the timber for accurate sawing. Even the bark is collected and recycled into biomass fuel, helping power parts of the factory. Now the transformation truly begins. Enormous industrial band saws cut through solid timber with astonishing precision. Guided by computer systems, each cut is carefully planned to maximize the amount of high-quality lumber produced from every single log. Every millimeter matters when processing wood on this scale. The freshly sawn boards travel through an extensive network of conveyors connecting every department of the factory. This automated transportation system keeps production moving continuously while reducing manual handling and improving workplace safety. Fresh wood contains a significant amount of natural moisture to prevent future shrinking, cracking, or warping. The boards are stacked with precision and transferred into massive drying kilns. Carefully controlled temperature, humidity, and airflow slowly remove excess moisture while preserving the wood's strength and stability. After the initial cuts, automated trimming machines remove rough edges and defective portions of the boards. High-speed cameras inspect each piece in real time, identifying cracks, knots, or imperfections that could affect the quality of the final product. Each board or veneer receives a precisely measured coating of industrial adhesive. Automated rollers ensure every surface is covered evenly, creating the perfect bond between layers while minimizing excess glue and material waste. The coated layers are carefully aligned and stacked in engineered patterns. Alternating the grain direction increases strength and reduces the natural movement of wood, resulting in panels that remain stable even under changing temperatures and humidity. Before leaving the factory, every finished panel undergoes one final inspection. Advanced sensors verify dimensions, thickness, moisture content, and surface quality, while experienced technicians perform visual checks to ensure each product meets strict international standards. Once approved, the panels are automatically stacked, wrapped in protective packaging, and labeled for tracking. The journey is finally complete. What began as towering trees has been transformed into premium engineered wood products ready to serve homes, offices, schools, and construction projects around the world.